Are you ready to level up your AI skills? Google's AI Essentials course is designed to equip individuals with the knowledge and practical abilities needed to effectively use AI in their daily tasks. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, enhance decision making, or spark new ideas, this course provides hands-on experience and a deep understanding of responsible AI usage. Let's dive into the key objectives of this incredible learning opportunity. The course goes beyond theory, focusing on real-world applications of AI tools. Instead of just learning about AI, participants will engage with AI-driven solutions to streamline workflows and optimize efficiency. Ever wondered how to get the most out of AI? The Prompting Essentials module, a crucial part of this course, teaches you the art of crafting effective prompts. Using Google's 5-step framework, easily remembered with the mnemonic Tiny Crabs Ride Enormous Iguanas, task, context, references, evaluate, and iterate, you'll be able to achieve up to 80% of your desired AI outcome. For the remaining 20%, the course introduces 4 iteration methods, memorized with another catchy mnemonic, Rahen saves tragic idiots. AI is powerful, but it comes with risks like bias and inaccuracies. The AI Essentials course emphasizes a human-in-the-loop approach, helping participants recognize and mitigate AI-generated biases while ensuring reliability and ethical usage. AI is transforming every field, from marketing and finance to healthcare and content creation. Google's course ensures that no matter your industry, you can harness the potential of AI to elevate your career and enhance job performance. Upon completing the course, you'll receive an official Google certification, showcasing your AI proficiency. This credential can be a game changer for your career, helping you stand out in job applications and demonstrating your ability to work with cutting-edge AI technologies. Want to know how AI actually works? The course provides a solid foundation in AI concepts, covering essential topics like machine learning, generative AI, and AI-powered content creation. You'll explore how AI generates text, images, music, and even video, opening doors to endless creative possibilities. If you're eager to future-proof your skills and embrace the AI revolution, Google's AI Essentials course is a must-try. With its blend of practical exercises, expert guidance, and real-world applications, this course offers everything you need to confidently integrate AI into your personal and professional life. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start your AI journey today. Thank you for exploring Master AI with Google's AI Essentials course with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.